Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to find the first and follow from a given grammar. Okay. So we have the first and follow to find. So first of all let us see the rules for finding the first. So if there is a non-terminal, that is T, okay, means which doesn't have any production, then we can directly write the first of that terminal as the terminal itself, and if it contains epsilon, that is empty, then the first is also empty. And if a produces small a, then first of a is small a only. And if we have like this, that is a was containing epsilon, then we will go to b. So I will write the first of x as first of a minus epsilon union first of b minus epsilon. Okay, because if we entered epsilon in place of a, then x's production would become x gives b only. Okay, so because of this I will write first of x like this, union first of b minus epsilon. Okay, so first of all I will write the first of a minus epsilon, then union first of b minus epsilon. Let us see the rules for follow. We find the follow for only non-terminals. Let me write that down. So only for non-terminals. So we have the production like s gives alpha beta. Okay, and if s was starting symbol, then we will write the follow of s as dollar. Okay, and we have the second rule like if we have beta following b, okay, then we will write follow of b equals to first of beta. Okay, so what if there is nothing following the beta? For example, in these productions there is nothing following the b, but in this it was followed by beta, but beta contains epsilon, so it is same like this. So I will write follow of b equals to follow of a. Okay, so let us solve an example. So construct first and follow for the following grammar. Okay, we have the production like s gives b c and s gives a b, and we have the a's production as small a, capital A, small a, and epsilon. We have the production for capital B equals to small b, capital A, small a, and C produces epsilon. So first of S will be equal to first of B union first of A minus epsilon. Okay, because we have two productions for S. So first of B union first of A minus epsilon, because A was containing epsilon in its production. So I will write minus epsilon. Okay, so let us write the first of B, so which is small b itself. Let me just write that down first. So first of A is small a and epsilon, and we have the first of capital B as small b, because capital B produces small b, capital A, small a. Okay, and for C we have the first as epsilon. Okay, so first of B, which is small b itself, and we have the first of A as small a and epsilon, but we will remove the epsilon, so I will only write A over here. Now B union A is B comma A. Okay, so we have got the first of all the non-terminals. Now let us have the first of all terminals. So first of A is A itself, and first of B is B itself, from the first rule, that is first of T equals to T itself if it is a terminal. So let us write for small b now. So first of small b, that is terminal, is equals to small b. Okay, so now let us find the follow of S. So there is nothing following S, so we will just write the dollar sign, because by default it is having follow as dollar. Okay, now we will have the follow of A. So A is followed by small a and capital B, so let us write that down. So follow of A equals to, as in the SS production it is followed by B, so I will write first of B, and over here I will just write the first of A as A itself. So let me just write that down. So we will write the first. So follow of A equals to first of B union first of small a. Okay, so let us write that down directly. So small a. So we have the first of capital B as small b. So let us write that down. So small b union small a, which is b comma a, or we can just write a comma b. Okay. So now let us write the follow of capital B. So B is followed by C and nothing in the first SS production. So as C was containing epsilon, so what is after B over here? That is epsilon only, that is nothing like this one. So both of this would be having follow of B equals to follow of S. Okay, so let us write that down. So let me just write this first. Okay, so it will go to the follow of S, as we will see the first of C, but I will remove the epsilon, so I will not write anything from first of C as it was only containing the epsilon. Okay, union follow of S, because if C was replaced by epsilon, then it will be S gives B, and in the second production also there is nothing after B. So let us write follow of S over here, so which is equal to dollar only. Okay, so we have got the follow for capital A and capital B. Let us find the follow of capital C, which is equal to follow of S only, because in the first production we have nothing after C. So follow of C equals to follow of S, which is equal to dollar. Okay, we have already found the follow of S over here. Okay, so we have found the first and follow of this grammar. We can find the first of terminals and non-terminals both, but we just have to find the follow of non-terminals. Okay, and if you get any questions for finding the first and follow, you have to solve it like this. And we also need to find the first and follow for the LL1, that is the predictive parser, then for the SLR, that is LR0, then CLR, LR1, and the LLR. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts, and if you want to access complete video series on a particular programming language, then go to my playlist section, or you can directly go to the playlist by clicking on the link inside the description of this video. So see you all in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Bye bye.